Hey, good morning. It's 16 degrees outside right now, and oh gosh, I hate this so much. Okay, so quick briefing of the day. Right now it is 9:30 and I'm leaving to go get Candace because we are all gonna go up to Sugar Mountain today. So we actually only are gonna be tubing, no snowboarding today, unfortunately. Big news for the channel. I don't know, it may not be big news. I was comparing between a Canon Rebel T7i and a Canon Rebel SL2, which if you've not heard of the SL2, great camera for the price. Form factor is perfect for vlogging. All the equipment you need will work with that camera in terms of like a mic and like a HDMI, stuff like that is great for creating content, you know, for YouTube and everything. So I actually ordered a Canon EOS Rebel SL2. Another thing I do want to say about the channel is not only do I do vlogs, you know, I have a hodgepodge of stuff on here. It's not just vlogs, it's not just tech reviews, unboxings, it's not just video games, you know, it's literally anything I want to film that day, I film and I put up on my channel. So that's kind of like not professional, which don't get me wrong, I mean, I have fun doing all of it, which is what really matters, but I know I can still do what I want to do on my channel while I do something you guys want to see. I'm sure there's an in-between there. I want to make you guys happy. I want to make you guys come back and see my channel, keep watching videos, submit requests for stuff, and just build a YouTube like audience and actually get, you know, a good growing base out of this. I just love like going on a day and just telling you guys what I'm feeling, what I'm doing, and hopefully it's interesting enough because I mean I feel like I don't have a super boring life. I feel like it'd be pretty interesting and you guys might actually enjoy it. I do want to say, if you've never had these V8 energy drinks, they're literally like, first of all, very good for you in terms of health. Second, they are fire. They taste amazing. There's like 4 different flavors. This one I got is peach mango. It's not carbonated, so you just got to shake it up. It's like a juice inside. And this gives you like one whole, your daily value of fruits and vegetables in one can. And also, it's only 50 calories, and it's barely got any sugar. It's only got like 50 milligrams of sodium, 11 grams of sugar. And that's like not bad at all. Vitamin C's in there, and it's really great for you. And it's got green tea, which burns fat, and it gives you steady energy. It does not make you jittery whatsoever. All right, guys, tip number 1 with your girl, always text her about 5 minutes before you get to her house that you're there. And that way when you get there, she'll be walking out. So I'm setting the camera right here. And if you guys don't remember Candace from the last vlog, which was the Halloween vlog, she's my girlfriend, and let me just be the first to say she's very beautiful. I got very lucky with her. I'm gonna start trying to put her in a lot of my videos. It's just hard because like she's always traveling because she is a professional dancer, so that's amazing right away. And she is always on the travels. She's always in and out of the city. There she is now. Oh my gosh.
I look like I'm moving in.
Yeah, I was hoping. You look so dang cute. I'm just like a hobo.
Oh, well, I feel like a hobo too. The shirt's ginormous. And my leggings are too big for me. Look how big they are.
Wait, which one of those?
These are Victoria's Secret ones.
I thought they were the Lulu ones. I was like, no!
Hi!
I did a little intro before you even got here. I gave him some tips and tricks to having a girlfriend.
Tips and tricks to having a girlfriend?
Yep.
What were they? Are you going to tell me about them, or do I have to wait?
Well, you might have to watch the vlog.
Okay.
So we are going to Pals.
Yeah, we are.
And I know exactly what I know what I'm getting.
You know what I'm getting.
I do know what you're getting.
It's like, is that ice?
Yeah, look. We got some hot chocolate on deck at our house.
See what that does?
No. Whoa, Candace, you got...
I don't have dust
You got
in mine.
lice.
I don't. Only hairspray.
Candace, you're getting my car all filled with lice.
It's lice.
Dander.
No, it's not dander.
Hey, yeah. Hey.
Sorry.
That's cute.
Woo! Woo!
One day you're gonna do that. I'm gonna like veer off
You
on the
probably
side of the
are.
road. We're going to Pals.
Pals.
And guys, if you...
Because we're pals.
Yeah. And you know what we get from Pals?
Shutter
Shutterrounds.
rounds.
Oh yeah.
Like,
My camera did just now ship from Amazon, so that's great news. It'll be here Wednesday. This is how Pals looks. All of them look like this. So like anytime you see, it's really iconic. Yeah, it's got the food on the front. Just won't dance in front of the camera. You won't dance in front of the camera.
this was my song last year.
Hang on, my card's stuck. Hate when this happens. There you go. Hey! I want to get copyrighted again for something I don't even want to listen to. Candace?
Yep.
What would you like?
You know.
Nothing?
Yep.
Okay.
Starbucks,
1 second, please. Let's see, Candace. I think. You know what's good?
How are you saying 1 second? You know what you're gonna get?
I don't. Alright, I think I know. Alrighty. Could I get a tall iced white mocha?
It'll be 4:33. We'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Boy, we balling on some expensive coffee right now.
You know what?
It's like-
It's so weird. Like, there's nobody out like in Johnson City today.
That is weird. That's what I was telling them. Johnson City is like a dang ghost town.
Like, you would think on a Saturday morning, like there'd be more people out.
How are you today?
Good. How are you? Oh, thank you. Thank you. You too.
I don't
Yeah.
understand how they made that quick.
I don't either.
Like,
They must have made an extra one earlier or something. They didn't ask for my dang name. Guys, Starbucks, if you don't know, they're very, very custom made. They very get into how they make their coffee, and I've never been pulled up to a window at Starbucks and have them waiting on me. Normally I'm waiting on them. So we pulled up. They had it like waiting like McDonald's. They like I pulled up and she's standing at the window like holding it out. I'm like, what the heck? And she's like 4:33. I was like, whoa, hang on.
how do you make that quick?
So if you guys know maybe some magic behind that, maybe somebody that works there, and yeah, they got it right on the dot. So this is my drink. I'll go ahead and tell you. The Hudson Specialty, they're gonna rename it. Thank you. So guys, if you ever want to order the Hudson drink at Starbucks, it's a tall iced white mocha, and then you get 1 pump of white mocha, and then I get non-fat milk to cut back on about half the calories, and then no whipped cream to cut back another half the calories. So very, very tasty drink while you stay on the healthy side. This is like, I did a lot of research coming into this. Very, very good way to go if you're looking for a quick pickup in the morning, but not a lot of like jittery sugar. Oh. Okay, sorry, don't get me wrong. I don't smoke like weed or anything. I don't really smoke. But
You don't really smoke.
I really don't smoke. Like if I'm around a campfire and like I breathe in smoke, that's fine, but I do not like personally like smoke like on my behalf. So I'm sitting here and I saw a dude pull up and I smelled straight weed. I was like, oh. And I looked and I thought it was that dude in the black car. Well, it wasn't. I was sitting here like this waiting, and then next thing I take a sip. This tastes like the smell of weed. I don't know why, but I'm gonna drink it. Boy, you won't want to taste it if you want to.
Yeah.
Taste it. It tastes like literally like someone like was smoking like a doobie while they rolled it, like while they were making it.
Just tastes like coffee to me.
And okay, let me tell them what we're doing. If you want to film, you can. You can film what I'm saying. What are we gonna do? We're
I
gonna go
don't
shred
know.
the slopes.
We're gonna go down and see what the fam's up to
We're gonna go shred the slopes. That's what we're doing.
first, and then
We're gonna go shred the slopes.
my stuff's downstairs.
Hey,
Well, some of my stuff.
we're gonna go shred the slopes.
All right, let's do it.
All right, so we're gonna go shred the slopes. I did not mean to do that.
Am I supposed to still have this on?
What?
You want me to still have this on? Don't.
Almost did it.
It's mean. Well, you can see the lake from here. I never knew that.
Yeah, we got a lakeside view.
I didn't mean to scare you.
I just wanted to show them.
Greta.
Yep.
She was like, because I'm gonna stalk your YouTube channel.
Finally, like an hour and a half later, we're finally heading on out. Alrighty, we're on our way. We're making it there. Slowly but surely. Got Marin, Candace, me, of course the 2 co-pilots, Mom and Dad. Driving us on the treacherous track to Sugar Mountain, where the current time is 11:36 at an altitude of 46,000 feet.
Did you teach him how to do that earlier?
Nope, but this is tip number 2, guys. So guys, if you want to send us any fan merch, then get us like get Candace a Simply Southern.
And you can send it to our PO box.
We don't have a PO box, but I'll give you my address if you just send us a Simply Southern shirt in a medium for Candace. She would love it. If I had a quarter for every time we came up here, I'd give it to you. And there's a little down drop of the mall. Alright we're inside the tent right now. Let's take a peek out.
Almost.
I'm not as good as your dad with that. But.
That's alright.
Okay, we're gonna try to have something fun really quick. You gotta get it like.
Let me make sure it doesn't.
We walked outside and right here we got a FRS, and then right next to it we got a 325 slammed to its nuts on. I don't know how they did that, but it's like in the wheel well. That thing actually looks sweet, and it got a dual exit exhaust. It looks like aftermarket. That's actually pretty sweet. The front's cool too. They got a blacked out carbon emblem too. That looks dope. Okay, so there's people caked all over this dang place. Cute. Hey. So the tickets are out until another hour. We have to wait. Then we can buy them, and then we get to ride an hour after that. So we're gonna go in here and get something to eat. Okay, we got something to eat. Munching right now. Ate me a hot dog. Got some chips. Yeah, here's the view. So the line is like an hour wait, as you see down there. So we've been sliding down this right here. I'll go and then. Here they come. Alrighty. You're like pushing me down the dang hill. Whoa. And we got us a ticket and everything. We're good to go. We're legal, you know, ready to go. So we're gonna grab us a tube. We're kind of like a free-for-all for tubes right now. Everyone's trying to grab one. Dude, quit complaining. We're trying to ride. Uh-oh, we might have to get off. Get off, bell out. We got a bell. Y'all get on careful. When he tells us to go, I'll push y'all. Successful tubing session, wouldn't you say? Successful tubing. Successful tubing. Hey, yeah. Okay, so long time no see. It's literally 9:35, and I just remembered we hadn't ended the vlog, so this is goodbye. I have a minute left on the GoPro, so I really gotta hurry on this. Now it's 18 degrees and the road is covered in ice, so please wish us luck. And if we can reach this video to 1,000 likes, we will do a video of driving 400 miles an hour on the highway and sliding on ice. So please do get this video to 1,000 likes. And with that being said, I'm gonna get my lovely girlfriend home safely, and we will hopefully see you guys together in a vlog very soon.
Yes.
Peace out.
Bye.